Super important video for all of the Shopify developers, all of the Shopify store owners, merchants, and within the Shopify ecosystem. First, take a look at this product page. Looks bad, right? I mean, it's shitty. It's out of place. But now, take a look at the transformed version of this product page now. So what's your first impression? Looks awesome, right? And what if I tell you that all of this transformation of this product page is done with AI and with a one single prompt? And it just took 4 to 5 seconds. I didn't touch any single thing. It just did it all on its own. Ready-made prompts, ready-made templates. Just had to click a button and it transformed that product page. Would you believe me? If not, I'm going to show you how you can do that with an instant AI page builder, which is in Shopify, and it is awesome. So let me take you to my laptop screen and show you how it's going to work and how you can transform your Shopify stores into high converting, awesome looking stores within an instant. Now, also let me know in the comments below after watching the complete video. Make sure to watch the complete video and let me know in the comments below what you think, that are Shopify developers dead or not. Let me know. So guys, that's the product page which I transformed into this. And now let me show you how quickly it was done. Now that is the instant AI page builder which I'll be using. Free plan is available. I'm going to go to the pricing at the end of this video. So first of all, take a look at the functionalities which it's offering. So it is going to transform your store with AI, and it is going to do everything on its own, adding pictures, adding copy, and it's drag and drop after you transform your store. So you can easily do that without any coding knowledge. If you want to change anything with the AI generated templates for product page, for home page, for elements. I mean, there are a ton of things in this app which I'm going to show you. And all of these features are also mentioned, and link of this app is in the description. So check that out. Now, let me show you the home page. So once you open that app, that's how it's going to look like. And you can see that we have the prompt for landing page. We have the prompt for home page. And for this example, I'm going to first test with the product page. Then we'll see some of other functionalities as well. So once you land on this app, you just have to click on this product page. And here you can see that it gives me a complete prompt. I don't have to type it at all. And it says build a compelling product detail page that highlights key features, build trust with reviews, and make purchasing effortless. You can change the prompt based on your own requirements, but it's a really good head start. So if I click on generate, it's going to ask me which product you want to transform. I'm going to select a different product this time to show you guys. So that is the product which I am going to select. First, let me open this product page on a different tab so you guys can also compare what it does. Meanwhile, it's generating the product. So that is the product right now, right? And that's how instant AI page builder is generating. You can see the raw version here while it's generating, and it's just going to take a few seconds. Now you can see that it already happened. Nice looking slider. The sale discount badge, reviews widget, variants. And these images are also generated with AI automatically, so you don't have to manually find good quality images for the same product page. Take a look at that. Okay, awesome. So that was the original picture, and that is the newly generated picture with this instant AI page builder with all of this copy, nice looking section, and all of these reviews, these why I choose this product section, and this is similar products, and this is FAQ. So it added everything. Now, if you want to change the color scheme, you can simply select any of the color scheme here, and you can see that it's giving you an instant preview. The good thing about this instant app is that it does everything instantly. Awesome. Okay, so take a look at these color schemes. You can choose whatever you want. And if you want to change anything based on for a specific element, you can simply click on that and you can change the stuff. So let's say I publish this product page. Click on save and publish. And now it's publishing it. And again, published it instantly. Now it is giving me an option to assign the product. So I'm going to click on assign products. And here it's now asking me which product you want to assign this template to. I'm simply going to search for the same product. And I think it's this one. Yeah. Click on assign products and you can see that the product is assigned. Now, once it's done, you can again change the stuff. Here you can see that we have the option to change the text. So if I want to add in my own text, or remove it, or change the color of any specific element. Let's say I want to change the background color of this discount badge. I have all of these options where I can change the colors or make it look more nicer based on my own color scheme, based on my own personal preference. But pretty much everything is done, right? And once you make any change, again, you just have to click on publish and it's going to publish that to that product page template. I'm going to open this product and open this in new tab so I can also compare what it did. And here you go. So that is the transformed version of the product page. Again, you can change the coloring. You can choose the color scheme from the Instant AI page builder and play around with it as much as you want, right? But it gives you a really awesome boilerplate. I would not say boilerplate, but it gives you a really good head start. If you would do that from scratch, it's going to take you a very long time. So generating this type of product page in 2-3 seconds is like in few seconds is awesome. And so that was the original page, right? Which it transformed to this one. Now we're going to test some of the stuff as well in this app. Now let's try generating the homepage. Now let me show you how the homepage currently looks like. So that's Horizon theme and it is untouched, meaning I haven't done any customization. It's a default Horizon theme other than this footer, which I did played around, but other than the footer, all of it is completely raw. Now let's check out the homepage layout, what it does with the homepage transformation. So I am gonna open up this home of the app by clicking on this home icon and simply select this homepage button and then click on generate to see what it does. I haven't touched anything on this prompt. I haven't typed anything. I have just clicked a generate button and the homepage prompt creating button. That's it. Now it's generating the layout. Okay, our homepage is ready to go. Nice looking slider. Again, these sections are properly aligned to what is within the homepage, right? Completely synced with all of the other sections as well. So I'm gonna hit publish and make it live and also play around with some of the stuff. So let's click on publish and again click on save and publish. Perfect. Now let's take a look at our homepage by clicking on this view live page. Okay, our homepage is ready to view in the front end, on the front end, and that's how it looks. So that's a slider. Again, you can change the content all from the Instant App Page Builder. And now it's all drag and drop and completely optimized with other devices as well. So if I take a look at the mobile version, you can see that it's properly aligned, no padding issues, nothing at all. Let's check out the tablet version and the desktop version. Right? And it's completely drag and drop. So if I just wanna switch this section to the bottom, I can simply drag and drop and you can see that it's now showing up at the bottom. And again, you can change the fonts, you can change pretty much anything. And if you want to add more elements, they have ready-made elements here, grid, raw, product, all of these interactive elements ready to go. And these cart, so cart reward, multi-reward, cart add-on, cart countdown, all of these features are also included in this app, which you can add. And there is no product limitation that how many products you can add and how many orders you can receive, just like the other apps might have the restriction of how many products you can receive based on specific app pricing, but there is no limitation on this app here. So that's it for the functionality part. Now, as I told you guys, I'm gonna go over the pricing. So I am gonna go over the pricing. If I go to the app page and scroll down to the bottom, you can see that these are the pricing, $39 a month to start. And here we have 7-day free trial. 5 theme sections, you can read all of the details. Link of the app is in the description. Pretty awesome app. Make sure to try that out and let me know in the comments below if you want me to create another video on this app, creating or testing it on a live store. Would love to create a follow-up video if I get enough comments, and make sure to answer that question, that what do you think after this app developers are that or not. That's it for this video, guys. Have a great day.